Hello YouTube, today we're going to be making an unlimited health hack using pattern scanning. The approach is slightly more complicated than previous tutorial methods, but is very useful for games that get updated and will have changing execution addresses. We will need one additional file, which is SIGMaker 0.4 for Ollie Debug. You can find it at the link I provided in the description or via Google, or you can copy the URL off this video. It's created by someone named Patrick. I don't know how safe the file is, but it does seem to work just fine, and other people have recommended it. So what you're going to want to do is, after you've downloaded it, it's going to give you a RAR with the password TUTS4YLU. When you click OK, you download it. I already downloaded it and extracted it and placed it into my Ollie Debug folder. See, it's sigmaker.ell. That's what you're going to want to do. When you open up Ollie Debug and go to plugins, it'll pop up right there. So the next thing we want to do is open up Call of Duty World at War and open up Cheat Engine. You're going to attach Cheat Engine to the game. Whoops, attach to the game. There we go. Load the associated table. Start a solo game, mission select, Nazi zombies to rise. Now we're going to want to find out what writes to our health. So right click on health, click on find out what writes to this address and click yes. Resume the game. And we'll let the zombies hit me a little bit. So the top one, I don't know if you noticed, it happened whenever the zombie was hitting me, and then the second one happened afterwards when it was restoring my health. So what we want is the top one. And it's got this address right here, is 4F31F4. So we want to go to Ollie Debug, attach to Call of Duty World at War. Click OK. And click press Control G. And then you're going to enter in that address we just found, 4F31F4. Click OK. It'll take you over here. And what we're going to want to do is create a signature for this. So I can open up Notepad. And if we just right click on it and go down to Make Sig and then Test Sig and click Scan, there's too many that come up. So we want more than just that one line. So let's go up 3, Make Sig, Test Sig, scan it, and it's only finding one, so that's what our signature is going to be under mask. And then if you look, it's only there's 2 sets of hex groupings right here, and then another 2, and then the rest are for this line that was decrementing our health. So what we want to do is create a copy of the opcodes, and then keep the first 4 groupings, and the rest of them we're just going to wipe out with 0x90, which is no operation code. So we're basically removing that whole operation. And now we want to open up Visual Studio. Go ahead and open up Visual Studio. Start a new project. Call it Call of Duty World at War Health Hack. Click OK. Click Next. Go to DLL and check Empty Project and uncheck Security Development Lifecycle Checks. Click Finish. right click on the project, go down to properties, go to general, go to character set and double click on it so it goes to use multi-byte character set. Click OK. Add a source file. We'll just call it source.cpp. I'll zoom in a little bit. We need a couple of libraries. We need iostream, windows.h, plhelp32.h, psapi.h. We need the process name. We can close out a cheat engine. Do the health opcode, which is going to be our second one down here that we modified. The signature is the first one up here that we didn't modify. And then the health mask is the mask right here. Those are all the constants we need. Next we need to write a method or function called getModuleInfo. We need another function called write to memory. We need to write another function called findPattern. And finally, we need to write DLL main. And that's it. Click run. And create the DLL. Right click on the project. Go to open folder and file explorer. Go up one directory. Go down to debug. And we can see the DLL right there. I'm going to go grab my DLL injector. Which I have a video for if you haven't checked that out. Alright, right click with holding shift on the folder and click open command window here. Then we're going to go YouTube DLL injector. Then we need that absolute path to the DLL. So we'll copy that path and then Call of Duty World at War health hack. And then -p process Call of Duty World at War.exe, and then make sure the game is running. Enter. Click OK. Resume the game, and let's see if we die. We're not dying. Perfect. That's how you do pattern scanning. It's pretty simple. It was only 55 lines to do this. But basically you gotta find that address, find out what you want to change in the opcodes, and find out the pattern, and just plug everything in. That's it. Thanks for watching.